My pappy said, son, you're gonna drive me to drinking if you don't stop driving that hot rod Lincoln.
Hey guys, what's happening? So I had a couple of people ask me for the longest time to make a little video of the car, the setup for the car, everything under the hood on it, you know, what I've done. So it's gonna be a quick one because it's cold as fuck out here. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. All right, so it's my 65 Lincoln LS1. Forged bottom end. It's got ported heads. It's got a Summit Stage 4 cam in it. I had a twin turbo cam in it that I hurt. Since I'm not looking for peak horsepower in this thing, just did that. So we got turbos tucked up right in the front, so they get nice cold fresh air from the grill. Right now I'm not doing an intercooler on it, just for when I run the AC and everything in the front. I just try to kind of get it together. We just did a 2,500 mile road trip on the car, which was awesome. We went to Miami and back, Daytona, Turkey Ride Run, all that happy stuff. I was going to do meth injection, but I might change it up and put an intercooler on the front now. I'm not sure. But this is on the driver's side. The plumbing. It looks tight, but there's room around everything, you know. I mean, technically the shit doesn't move, so as long as it's not burning anything and it's wrapped up, you're good to go. I did move the motor back. I made my own mounts and everything, so I moved the motor back further than usual. I notched the cross member on it. And on the passenger side, I mean, it's a lot more room. You can see down there. Turbos are 76 millimeter on threes. That's pretty much it. It's got 3-inch exhaust all the way. Brakes are the next thing. As soon as we went on our road trip, the booster took a shit. So I gotta fix the booster on it. Still drive it, still stops, just it comes and go as far as the vacuum. That's it, the inside of it. Still kind of dirty from the road trip, but it's got 2000 Lincoln seats in it. Just redid the door panels. I got some speakers I gotta redo. I had these seats in the upholstery shop for a month and a half. They didn't do shit, so I took them right before our trip. But it's I built the console for it all the way to the front. It's got full air ride on it. Shit out of it.